All right, y'all. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is February 13th, Friday the 13th. And I'm back with another trade recap. Today, as you see by the title, yes, I'm back. I'm back, baby. I caught a dub finally. I've been eating one of this, but I feel like it was bound to happen. I've been following my rules, especially yesterday. The only day I didn't was Wednesday, as y'all seen. But like Tuesday, yesterday were solid trades. It just didn't work out. And today, I want to come up with the same game plan. Like, let me just follow my rules. Let me take trades that align with my draw, and just be patient. I don't want to force something in the first 5 minutes. Um, and yeah, let's get into it. Solid day. I'm glad. I did have one little mistake though, and it was part of like my entries where I didn't realize on my trade of eight. But other than that, I still caught a dub, and I'm still up on my fund. It made 1,500. So yeah, let's get into it. All right. So today it was pretty simple minded for me. I was only looking for longs only, and that was it. And simply because yesterday we had such a big sell off, as I can see in the 4 hour, we had a big sell off yesterday, right? Big sell off on the hourly. Same thing. We had unfilled gaps. This whole range was unbalanced, really. This is what I was seeing pre market. This whole range was unbalanced. So I want to see us come back up, at least fill this gap, maybe into the equilibrium of the range from yesterday. And then if we're going to go short, look for shorts from there. But I was looking for longs because of how unbalanced this range was, right? So boom. Bias was simple. Plus, we took out all draws, like bearish draws, except data lows. But the data lows was, I think, it even got taken pre-market, right? So look, as you'll see, all the lows below, Asia, London, all got taken right during pre-market or overnight. Then even the previous day low, let me see, right here, got taken as well, right? So there was really no valid draws for me to go short like that. I liked. I was only gonna go short under one condition, and it was because of this. Sorry guys, I'm a little congested still. That's why I feel like I can barely speak, but I was only gonna go short under one condition, and it was this 4 hour gap. If we inverse this 4 hour gap at 10 a.m., right, then I'll be openly. Oh, my bad, guys. I'll openly looking for shorts, right? But as you can see, we didn't. So now let's get into the entry part and where I kind of messed up. Okay, so I'd open. We tapped this five. We respected it. We went down, took out data lows. Okay, so once we did that, we took out data lows. Great reaction out of it. Great reaction. Straight reverse V-shaped recovery, displacement candle. I got in as soon as I seen this. Now, where I messed up at. So usually when I buy like accounts, new evals, I usually buy them in bulks of two or three, right? And yesterday I had bought, I think, two of them. Now I didn't realize I was already down. I think 1,500 on the account. 1,500 I was down. So I only had 1,000. I was 1,000. I only had like 800, 900 left of drawdown left, right? And usually you know how in Trader you do managed groups. God damn, I'm sorry guys. Um, and then when that happened, my dumbass, I still had. If y'all trade on TraderVate, y'all know like when you have a set of two or three evals, whatever, you have to multiply the micros by how much accounts you have, right? So say for example, I have three accounts, right? If I want to use 8 micros, I have to times that by three, so I have to put in 24 to trade 8 micros per account, right? Okay, so boom. So I made low key two mistakes now thinking about it. I only had two accounts at the time, right? I only had two accounts, and I was trying to risk 9 micros. But I was risking 27. 20, yes, I was risking 27 micros. I was thinking I had three, but I only had two. That was my first fuck up. And then after that, luckily, I was only out trading one account at a time, and one of them did get blown. That's what I'm saying. I thought I was cop trading both, but only one at a time. And as soon as I entered, I think we went like 15 points in drawdown, and that account got blown. That's the one that only had like 800 drawdown left. Now one got blown. I was like, damn, how the hell, like, what happened? Like, did my order get rejected? I didn't even know. It was so quick like that. As soon as I entered, we went down like 10, 15 points, and I got stopped instantly. So I was like, damn, did my shit get rejected? What the hell? So then I tried to re-enter again, and it says order rejected, order rejected. Like, what the fuck? What's going on? So I looked, and that account was like blown. I was like, what the fuck? So I clicked on my other account, and that one was still like fresh new eval. So I was like, oh shit, I wasn't copy trading, and I thought that account was originally blown from yesterday, right? I'm like, fuck. So I got in on my other account that was fresh. I think we shot up like 40 points, 50 points. And mind you, I still had 27 micros on the top. Still had 27. I didn't realize this. And I still entered. And luckily, this trade, as y'all see, this trade played in my favor. We literally shot up instantly. So I'm like, as soon as my TP was originally going to be right here at the swing high. I think I ended up going like a 1-to-1, maybe even a little bit less. Because I didn't realize how much, what I'm saying, like how much I was risking. So I got out, I think like probably, I don't even know, maybe 30 points into profit because it was already 1,500. And if you have no lucid accounts, you can only make 1,500 of your account balance. So I got out as soon as I was at 15. I was like, damn, that was a quick TP, right? Mind you, I was risking 27 micros. So that could have gone really bad. Luckily, this time it worked in my favor. Yes, I did build an account, but I'm glad I still have one account and it's up 1,500, so I can hopefully maybe pass next week. I was thinking about getting more accounts, but I'm like, nah, I've been struggling. Let me just be patient. Let me focus on this account, pass this account, and then from there we'll look forward. Okay. So that's what I was planning on doing. I'm glad ended this week off strong on a win, build my confidence back up, get me ready for next week, and yeah, that's all I got for today. So if you haven't yet, make sure to go follow my TikTok at Tone Trades. If y'all are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try to come at y'all this weekend with a psychology video. And yeah, so make sure y'all tune in with that. Turn on notifications, subscribe, like, and yeah, that's all I got for y'all. I'll see you on the next one.